in this. Select the camera and Control Alt F, Control Shift F, Control Shift F. Okay, so the camera will jump and will come and sit here. Okay, it will means what you call snapping, zooming. Okay, in Maya F button, in 3ds Max it's Z button. Okay, the same thing here is Control Shift F. Yeah. So then I want to create a sphere. So 3D object, sphere. Okay, so this is the one I created. Even zoom. So it is bottom means it is below the terrain. It is below the terrain. See, this is and lift up. Okay, so go there. This is rigid body and interaction. Rigid body and interaction. Defining, controlling dynamic properties of object. Okay, and interaction. Okay. So sphere I created, but its rotations I can't see properly if it is in single color. So for that sake, what I have to do, I have to add any texture to that so that if any rotation will happen, I can see it properly. See vegetables, this one, pebbles. Okay, any texture you can download anything you want, rocks. Okay, so even map also you can add. Okay, so I'll add map. Okay, so map it came here, drag drop here. Okay, see this? There is no bump. Okay, directly blend. It's type of a blend. It's added. Okay, fine, super. Simple. Drag drop and add here, but don't drag drop directly in asset. You make a folder and drag drop. Okay, like this new folder, then drag drop. So everything will be there inside. Okay, so new folder you can see. You can drag drop like this. Go inside this new folder and you can work in this only. Any means if you finish this project, you can delete this folder itself. Okay, only this folder you can finish it out. Okay, don't make mess. Okay, here don't make mess. Okay, yeah. So now I want to add rigid body to this, like means real life dynamics. I want to add a rigid body to this, so that it will start falling and it will collide with this terrain. Okay, any object it will collide with this. What a castle, trees, grass, it won't collide. Okay, grass is something like a texture. Okay, but prefab grass it will collide, but this grass it won't collide. Okay, so this castle it will collide, trees it will collide. Okay, so it won't collide with this grass, but prefab grass is then another one, detail grass. Okay, with that it will collide. Okay, keep that is in mind. If you want it to be collide or not collide, okay, you have to decide. Yeah. So now selected. So I want to add rigid body here. Add component is in so right side. Okay, inspector or properties. Maximum time I'll call this as property window. Okay, inspector window. Here add component is there. So many things you can add script. Okay, these are all the things you can add. These are all the things. So what I want is rigid bodies. Okay, RIZID. Okay, so rigid body. I'll I'll say you rigid body means what? I think some people don't know. Rigid body. Opposite word is soft body. Okay, rigid body, opposite word is soft body. Okay, rigid body, both will collide. Soft body will also collide, rigid body will also collide. Rigid body means the shape won't change. Any force you applied on a object, shape won't change. Like rock, stone, ball. Ball means a hard ball. Okay, diamond, ebonite, ebonite, that billiards ball will be there, no? That one. Ebonite, metals, any metals comes under rigid body. Okay, soft body means flesh, cotton, cloth, jelly. Okay, this all comes under soft body. Okay, so rigid body, if it is getting down, 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 rigidity is getting down, it will become soft body. Okay, very softer, sir. Which is the very softest body in this world? Mercury. Okay, before touching only, it will change the shape. Okay, so that one, even water, honey, then lava, okay, oil, all comes under soft bodies. Then all the rigid things, the very strong things, it will comes under wooden planks, all these things comes under rigid bodies. Clear? That is what I added here, rigid body. Okay, so I'll keep everything default. So if I play now, okay, it has to fall down and it should collide with this. Easy, so simple. Okay, I'm explaining you that it's colliding. If it is down, is there any like slant, anything is there, it will roll. Okay, There is no slant, that's why it's not rolling. Fine, fine. So I'm stopping this. Okay. Now I want to add a script to this. So before that, interaction. Okay, input system, input. Okay, so you should add input system, player input system, this one. Yeah, player input system added. See this. So, okay. Hi, Jeffin. Yeah. So this is player input system. There is no input system here. Okay. So you have to create an input system, means action in asset folder. You have to create first ball game. Okay. With that name only, I'm creating. Yes, created. This one will give it for character. Advanced things will come. Okay. Move, look, fire, and all. Okay. You don't think about this one now. Okay. Little bit complicated. Now don't think about that one. Don't get panic. Simply I click on the create action, it created action, it created, and everything default I kept. That's it. Okay. Player input system, action created. Understood? What it will do, it will take the mouse controls, the keyboard controls, keyboard mouse controls on the right arrow, left arrow, space bar, all these controls it will take. Especially right and left arrow, this one it will take. Space bar we have to give. Okay, till now it not given. Okay, we have to give. Understood? This one. Player input understood? Everybody, just give, anybody give confirmation. Select it. Okay, go here, remove the component. Okay, so click here. Okay, here player input. Okay, type here input. Okay, player input. Then open this one. There is no action here. Create an action. Okay, my first ball game is an action. You create and replace it. It was created. Okay, this window is very important window. We are not talking today. Understood? We are not talking today. So that's it. Okay, we created this. That's it. And any camera you can give. Okay, so this camera you can drag drop if you want. Okay, but there is no meaning if you drag drop or not drag drop. There is no point of doing it. Fine. Now, okay. Now what will happen? It will take the mouse controls. Means keyboard controls. But it don't move. It don't move because we have to write a script. Okay, we have to write a script. Yeah. Okay. Now add component. Okay. New script. New script. Create new script. Name what I had given new script only. Okay. So okay, this is the one I had given, and where it came new. Yeah, this one. I'll drag it up into my folder. So this one. Okay, new script. Understood? So default code it will generate. Have codes. Wait. Okay, one second. It's Unity, yeah, Unity classes, and we are different. Okay, not this one. Collection, play game. Okay, this is for canvas. Okay, so this is for canvas. Again, this is for going to another level. Going to another level. This one we are using. Yes, yes, sure. I'll send. Sure, I'll send. Character controller, public float. One second. Okay, collision. Okay, public class change. I'll make you easy. Okay, wait. On collision, enter. No, not this one. Okay, player controller. This is for camera. Yeah, this is for camera. Okay, this is for our ball control. So copy till here. Okay. So first one second, I'm sending this one to you, including the camera control. Yeah. One second, man. So simply you'll get confused. So that's why I'm okay. Otherwise, okay, problematic. I'll send you. I'll explain and I'll send you. Unity, Malleshwaram, Unity, formula. Okay, for three people I sent. Now, so camera control I'm not talking. Only the ball controls. So copy this input. Okay, copy player control here. New will be there. New. Okay, because what is the code I had given, that one will be there here. We have to change that. Okay, fine. So go inside this. Double click on this one. So that new script plus plus. Okay, this one notepad plus plus will open. Okay. So here to here, double click. Okay, it will open like this. Okay, paste here. Speed 0, okay, means speed of the ball, but actually we have to give here speed. Okay, once I compile, okay, I have to give the speed here. Then rigid body, this is the class name, this is the object name. RB, you can change the name, this one RB ball, something else you can give. Okay, private rigid body, this RB. Okay, movement X, movent Y I took, this is a mouse what do you call, uh, no, no, keyboard movement. First, I created a, till now it is zero, nothing else. Movement X and movement Y is zero, nothing is there here. Okay. When get component rigid body, it will collide and it will take that collisions. Okay. It will identify the terrain, where it is the terrain and all. It will save it in rigid body, RB. Fine. Input value, movement value. So here is an here it is taking in the keyboard values, right arrow, left arrow. It will, okay, take from here and it will copy to this one movement vector. X and Y axis it will change. Okay, X and Y axis. So once someone came, so saying accept sir. Oh, sorry Gopi. Okay, sorry. Hmm. So here it is taking the keyboard movement and it will pasting here. In that it's separating. Okay, movement X and movement Y it is separating. Okay, so this is on move. This is start button. Okay, when it is started. This is when we'll press the arrow marks. This is updating every frame. Okay, this one will update every frame. So speed it will add to that. Okay, speed it will add to that. So till now it's okay, but one class we not added. Okay, one class is called input system we not added. Shashank, two people came, two Shashanks came. Yeah, hi, good morning Shashank. Okay, this one we not added. We'll see. Okay, what error will come, we'll see it. Okay, this is new mono behavior. Okay, everything is like this. Control S. Okay, so come here, it will process. It is showing some error. See this, it is showing some error. Okay, identifier, this flower bracket. Okay, flower bracket, namespace, all these things error it is showing. And number is 5 comma 14. Double click it. Okay, 5 comma 14. So it opened here, it closed here, correct? Opened here, closed here, opened here, closed here, opened here, closed here. Okay, so perfect. So then this one, double click. Any semicolon? No semicolon, correct. Hmm. Any other name? Okay, no other name. So namespace is the problem. Namespace is the problem. Okay, so we will change that namespace. Input system. Copy this one. Okay, so go here. Save. Come here. It will compile. Clear. Unexpected. New. 7.1. Public float. Rigid body private. Private float. Movement X, movement Y. Void start. Rigid body. Get component. Private void on move. Okay, save. Okay, correct only. Clear. I think namespace generic. Okay, it should be outside. So Control X, paste here. Okay, new, save, check once. Identifier expected. I'll do one thing. Okay, with I'll create a new one. Why? Because give the proper name. Okay, name not given properly. Okay, sphere script is an. I'll remove the script. Remove the script. Okay, add a script component. New script here. Ball globe. Okay, ball globe. I had given. Yes. Okay, this one. Double click. Okay, it will be like this. Then from here to here, you copy, paste here. Okay, then input system, you have to add this input system. Okay, name class, you should add. Come back, console, new, here. It is there in new.cs. Yeah, new, you can delete it out. Okay, everything problem solved. See this? Now any error after compiling also some errors will come, but it's okay. Euphoria is another plugin. That error, that is ARVR plugin. Okay, that is log. It's not error, it's log. Okay, it fallen. Okay, it's playing. So arrow marks not working. Why it is not working? Because speed not given. Speed is 0. I'll give some 30 speed. Okay, this one here, 30 speed. Now play one more time. Fallen. Yeah, now it is working. See, I'm pressing my arrow marks. Okay, see this? uh, Now in PUBG, along with the character, camera has to move, right? Okay, yeah. So I'll tell you one technique. So this camera, if I drag drop onto this one, means camera is child, sphere is parent. Suppose, means first I'll keep the camera properly here. Suppose this is a third person shoulder shot. Control Shift F by selecting the camera. Control Shift F. Yeah, this is the shoulder shot of this one. Okay, drag drop this one here. It will follow, sure it will follow. But one problem is that if it will rotate, even camera will also rotate. So fully somersaulting will happen. Okay, see this error. Okay, what is the error? You check it. It's working, but even ball will fall down, no? Even this one will also fall down. See, understood? This one. Hello. Means ball is rotating, that's why camera also rotating. So don't parent like this. Okay, don't parent like this. So what to do? So it has to follow, camera has to follow the sphere. So that type of code we should give for camera. Okay. Now we had given for sphere. Okay. So we should give for camera now. Okay. Go here, select the camera. This is camera properties. Okay. So which one you selected, that properties will come. See which one you selected, that properties will come. Select the camera. Now create a script, new script. This is camera. Follow F4. Follow the name. Give the name. Tell me. Hmm. Underscore you can add, not other things. Underscore you can add, not other things. Okay. You should not start from number. Okay, that type of rules are there. Sure, that type of rules are there. Okay. Okay. So camera follow had given, go to project. Okay, so here camera follow, okay, double click, it will open. Okay, I sent you the code already, camera follow okay, code. So this one you copy. Okay, what is this one? Game object it is taking. Game object is sphere. Sphere, it will ask you, okay, give me that, which is the game object, I will follow. Okay, so if you drag up that sphere here, it will ask you in the right side. Okay, it is sphere. Okay, then vector 3 is an offset means how much distance, okay, it is taking here. Till now it is 0. Till now it is 0. Then start, okay, how much position is there? Okay, it will take offset equals to transform that position clear. Means the sphere position it will take and it will add to the offset. Then while updating, so the same position it will add to the camera. While updating, every time it will update now. This is for first frame. This is for every frame. Understood? This one? Okay, so I'm copying this one. So go here, paste it. Okay, game object, player, everything correct. Even namespace. Okay, this one is called namespace. This one I'll call as classes sometimes. Okay, because I came from OOPS background, C, C++, C hash background. That's why I'll call as class names. Okay, this one namespace. Otherwise, includers you can call includers. Okay, include this one, include this one, include this one. Okay, this if you include collections, then only this object will work. Okay. If you include input system, then only input systems will work. Otherwise, input system won't work. So here input system we are not used it. That's why I didn't add it. If you want it, then only add it. Understood? Then number of open close correct. Here open close correct. One extra you had given, it will show error. So one extra you had given syntax error. Please rectify it. I'll show the error. Go here. See it is showing. Type names. Okay. Double click in that place only it show. In now 23 comma 1. So delete it. Okay. Now save it. Come here. Right. It will okay compiling clear. So it is cleared. Then okay. So select the camera. Go down. Here it is asking. So which is the game object? Give me that game object. I'll follow. It is saying. This game object is what is that game of this one? Game object player. Okay, give me that name of that, I'll follow. So sphere is you drop this one, you follow that sphere. That is the meaning. This is sphere. This is sphere. Now it is a game object, so it will follow the sphere. Understood? Yeah. So now see now enter button. No errors are there. Fallen arrow marks. I'm pressing. Yeah, it's going. See, camera is following. Okay, see it. Camera is following. And too much speed is there. 30 I had given speed. You reduce it if you want. After sir, after mountain it will fall down and it will fall into the full empty space. See, it will fall into the empty space. Okay, come back. Okay, see, you can restrict to boundaries also. Okay, don't go beyond the boundaries like that. You can restrict also. That option also there. Okay, see this speed 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 here in sphere it is 30 had given. Okay, if you give 100, too much speed. Slow. And no, in this world, any object will start from slow to high only. Slow in slow will be there in this world. Everything, even car, your hands. Okay, you can't move faster. See, it is moving faster now, 100 times faster. Okay, this is 100 times faster, and it's jumping also. Okay, understood this one? Okay, uh, so this is perspective camera. Which one I am moving is perspective camera. Here it is, this is the actual camera, the main camera. So maintain always only one camera. Okay. So when you open the file, okay, my suggestion, only one camera should be there. If it is AR VR project you are doing, only AR camera. VR project you are doing VR camera. Okay, whatever project you are doing, only one camera, maintain one camera. Very rare case we are using three, four cameras. Okay, sometimes we are shifting. Sometimes we are shifting to the first person. Okay, shoulder shot. Okay, like this. Sometimes we'll keep to character itself like this. Sometimes. That option you can go. Any button you can C button. To, you can change the okay C press button. Three cameras you can shift. One to two, two to three like that. Coding again. Everything you have to write a code. Okay. So it is not there in your syllabus. If you want it, uh, Unity camera okay, shift code first person to third. Okay, like this you type it, it will take you somewhere. Okay, so code you will get it. So everything is ready, man. In internet everything is ready. Okay, say first person, third person, collision, everything is there. Yeah, this code you bought it and you bring it and you paste there. Understood? Because every time faculty won't be there, so every time even this internet will be there, na? Okay, so whatever you want, okay, everything is ready in internet. Everything, even till big projects, totally big projects, it is there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you bring this code here and paste there. Clear? And slightly you should understand how the code will work. Okay, start for only first frame. This one, okay, late update means dynamics will work. Then afterwards, this one will work. It's called late update. Update means first update will work, then dynamics will work. Dynamics means this rigid body dynamics. Rigid body, wind, particles, grass. Okay, first that one will work. Then this code will work. Okay, only update means first code will work, then dynamics will work. Clear? Yeah. Okay, so this is one. Okay, while doing this one, you will get some errors. Okay, so rectify those errors. And sir, check with that castle, it will collide or not. It will collide. Understood? You can remove also. Okay, so go to select the castle. Okay, wall. Which one? Which one? Which one? It's in game sense. Sorry. Okay, select this one. Here, mesh collider is, you remove this. See, mesh collider, you remove this. Now you play and check. Yeah, passing now. Understood. Okay, so mesh collider, switch on. Home. So casual should be destroyed. No, no. One second. One second, one second. This dynamics you have to do in some other software. Dynamics. Okay. So one fully means wall, the clean wall should be there. Another one broken wall, the with the dynamic should be there. The same wall. Okay. So two you should bring. Two you should bring. Then afterwards, when you are triggering that, okay. One second. When after that, okay, till now it is wall only. So when you will trigger it, so that second animation will work. Okay. That concept is called trigger concepts. It is there in with you. Trigger, yeah, trigger concept of trigger object. Okay. When you enter that area, otherwise when you will contact with that area, it will start triggering. Okay. So two will be there. One is clean one, another one is blasted one with the effects. Okay. So wall two totally broken pieces and rigid body, everything will be there. So it has to trigger. Understood? The ball has to trigger. Yeah. Understood everybody? Hello? Hello? Everybody understood? Is it easy? Difficult? See, I didn't did anything. First you create the terrain, okay? Your own designs. Okay, terrain you create it. your own design, paint it, paths and all you paint it. Okay, this is the first step. Second, second step, rises and textures you have to do. That is second point. Third point, add trees. Okay, different trees. Okay, and depends on your creativity. Okay, your aesthetic skills. Then fourth point, add grass. Okay, add grasses, flower grasses, even some fruit grasses also there. Different wheat. Okay, see this is flower, this is wheat, even brown color grass is there. Depends on your again your own creativity and fully explore that packet manager asset store. Explore that one, whichever you like it, download and add. That is the fourth point. Okay, everything is done. Okay, now you add spear to that. Okay, even you should add what is lighting. Lighting will be default. Okay, this lighting will be there. It will be default. Don't think much more on that because lighting you have separate class to that. Okay, maybe next class I'll teach you lighting. You have okay one more class. Now add spear. Add spear. So after that directly add rigid body to that. Okay, spear. Add rigid body to that. This is the next point. It will start fall down. Okay, then you will forget this one. Okay, don't forget this. Which one? Player input you will forget. Don't forget, I am only saying. Okay, this is very important. You don't forget. Without this that code won't work. Okay, after adding this one, here on create button will be there. Here on create button will be there, create action. Okay, click on that create action so that it will start taking the inputs. What it mean, this one, it is start listening. Okay, give me some input, I will listen. That is the meaning of this one. Understood? Okay. So otherwise it won't listen. Otherwise it won't listen. Whatever you do, it won't listen. Okay, so you should add this one. You should add a listener to this. This is listener actually. Then afterwards you add script. Okay, script you add and give the unique name, some name. Okay, ball controller, ball globe, ball movement, like that. Any name you give it. Okay, so speed will be 0 by default. Okay, you give some 20, 30. Okay, so then double click that code, go into that. Okay, this Visual Studio will come for you. Okay, for me it's Notepad plus plus will come. Okay, here Visual Studio will come for you. Understood? Yeah, that is dark color one. This is bright color one. Okay, I'll use this one Notepad plus plus. For even Python, it is good. Clear? Then it will be little bit easy. Okay, you can understand easily. Understanding is easy. So you already have a coding language, coding knowledge. Understood? So if it is not there also, no, okay, I didn't given any burden to you. So I had given already code. Okay, so take this code, you add there. Okay, take this code, you add there. That's why I had given. So how to add also I told you. Okay, from here to here only you should take and add. Why? Because name is unique. Now I had given ball globe. You will give some other name, right? Here. Okay. So that's why don't copy the full one. If you are copying the full one, you should change the name immediately. This name you should change immediately. Clear? So here problem will come and it won't use. So it will show error immediately. It will show error. Okay, this is ball globe. You are changing the sims. So file name also ball globe CS should be there. This one also ball globe CS should be there. Okay. So best suggestion is add the mid one, then add this line. Okay, that's it. It will work. Okay. Then camera follow for camera. This is for spear. This is for spear. This is camera follow. Everybody. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Both I sent. Okay. Both I sent. You are from Chennai or Malleshwaram? Chennai, right? Okay, I sent. Here is there, na? Read more. This is cameras. Bottom one is cameras. Above one is balls. Okay. This is. Okay. So again, one more point. Okay. You are playing, right? You can record also. Okay. Click this button. Click this button. Maybe 4K or something. 4K is there already. So play it. Okay. So your show is also ready. Okay, but to make it more interesting. Okay? You playing now, okay? Then once you playing done, stop this. Stop this, then go to the path. Where is the path? Okay, here. Go to this path, recordings. Okay, double click this. Your show reel is ready. Your gameplay is ready. That's why I told in the starting class, this one, recording, how to record. Okay, see? So this much you show reel is good. No, add so many, that China temples, Indian temples, add so many things, streets. Okay, all these things you add. So your show reel is ready. Submit it, get the job. Okay, go and give the interview and get the job, get salary. Understood? Yeah, simple. Okay, I'm giving you this assignment. Do it, everybody. Okay. So any error is there, you ask to me, like the same how he shared. Now monitor. You also share. I will suggest. Even your friends will also suggest. I will also suggest. No, do this one. Do the like this. Do like this. So we'll become artists. That's it. Okay. I'm stopping. I'm stopping the class here. Okay. So it's too much. Please, everybody, do that. Hello. Yeah, texting now. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, thank you so much. So add me in your group. I don't know. So Kormangla, please. Okay, add. Thanks. Don't forget, bro. I won't forget. Okay. So any doubts? Okay, type your phone number. Who is this? My number. My number is there. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.